And so just for the truth of the assets then is the AEM dam.
Yeah.
But you see it in context in the pages.
That's right.
But you know, if you're using the same asset in multiple pages, really you just have to change that asset or revoke it or whatever on the AEM dam. And it, like we were talking about the SharePoint issue before, you're not doing it in every single document. It's not a copy, it's a reference.
That's right. That's right. So in this case, this is where the only place where it you know, in our implementation that it could have been better possibly is that so when we pull an asset in from AEM assets, it's making it basically comes in with an assets publish URL. So it's a front end publishable asset URL, because like you've published an asset, you have a picture, and it comes in, and there it is. It's open to the world at that point. Mm-hmm. And you say publish. When you're publishing that, you've got it's publishing the full rendition of that. Mm-hmm. Now, the magic then of edge delivery, like so in AEM world, you had to go and tell it what rendition sizes that you wanted for everything, right? Mm-hmm. Whereas this basically is doing a lot of that magic itself. And so you give it the full rendition, and edge delivery says, I got it from here. I'll make a little one. I'll make a big one. I'll make a fast loading one. I'll do it progressive so it loads correctly. It does all that stuff for you. Essentially, you can edit it, but it does all that for you. But at that point, it's being served to the end user out of Helix. So there is still the case that, so let's just say that same hypothetical example, the celebrity goes off the rails, you need to update the image. So as soon as the image is updated, the image you update it in the DAM, it's already published, right? So there's nothing more that you have to do in terms of selecting the image. What you do still, in our implementation, what you would have to do is go and republish the pages, because the pages are taking whatever the DAM had.